Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. In this one, I'm gonna walk you through how you can change the color of your time display on your iPad's screen. If you have ever wondered how some people have their lock screen time customized with different fonts and colors, you're in the right place, so let's get started and make your iPad look exactly the way that you want. First off, it's important to note that this feature is available on later versions of the iPad operating system, so to be able to customize the time on your lock screen, you need to be running at least like iPadOS 14 or 15, I believe. So if you haven't updated your iPad in a while, make sure you do that first. When you are on the lock screen of your iPad, you can see the time displayed prominently at the top. Normally, you just unlock your iPad and go through your day, but to change the time's appearance, you need to do a bit more, so start by unlocking your device. This means either using Face ID or entering your passcode. Once your iPad is unlocked and you are on the lock screen, hold down on the screen. This action brings up a selection of wallpaper pairs that you can swipe through. To customize the current one, click on Customize and then tap on Lock Screen again to access the customization options. Now, when you tap on the time at the top, a few customization options will appear. You can change the font size and, most importantly, the color. Let's focus on the color options. The first choice you'll see is an automatic setting, which adjusts the color for the best contrast based on your wallpaper. However, if you want a specific color, you can choose from the preset colors or use the color palette where you'll be able to find any other color you can imagine. So there are multiple options on how you can pick the one that you want, and there are so many different things you can do with this. Keep in mind that these settings apply to one specific wallpaper pair, so if you swipe to a different one, you're going to have to customize it there repeatedly, so it only applies to that one. And that's how you do this, that's how you change the color of the time displaying your iPad's screen. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe below to Foxtecc, and I will catch you later on in the future.